Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with week 1 for the compromise category. I'm here with Maggie.
Hi.
Maggie and I met a couple weeks ago. She is a new client. I'm going to have her tell you guys about her skin concerns and what she's experiencing.
So I've had acne my entire life from the time I was 15 or however old you get acne. And it was horrible. So I've tried pills, every topical treatment known to man, but I've tried 9 million different things. And then a few years ago, I started diving into skincare and I figured why not figure it out on my own. So I've been delving into ingredients and now I'm here. I found him on Instagram.
And I felt like she'd be a perfect candidate to analyze her skin. I do feel like there's a little bit of a sensitivity. She is using some of my favorite products, but I do want to take out the actives and just hydrate and repair the skin barrier because it is a little bit sensitized, and then slowly introduce some of my favorites. I know you mentioned you had a bad experience with benzoyl peroxide. I love benzoyl peroxide. So I want to slowly introduce it with that skin really healthy and see if you have a better outcome as far as your inflammation. I do just want to mention some diet and lifestyle and life things about Maggie. She is Italian Irish, so we're going to treat her as a Fitzpatrick 3. She works as a cosmetic coordinator at a plastic surgeon office, the same industry actually as the one that I'm in. Stress is okay. It's at about a 3.5 out of 5. So definitely managing stress is a little bit of an opportunity that can increase cortisol in the body, which can cause some inflammation. Her diet and lifestyle as far as working out is fantastic. She works out every day, mostly strength training with some cardio. Water intake is phenomenal. The only opportunity you mentioned is that you do consume a lot of dairy, specifically cheese. We're never going to cut out cheese though. So just something that we'll be mindful of while we're on the treatment plan because that can cause some sebaceous activity in the body. But besides that, I'm really looking forward to treating your skin barrier and seeing if we can have some success with that inflammation as far as some of the ingredients that you didn't have a good experience with.
I'm super excited.
And make some changes in your skin in the next 8 weeks.
I can't wait to see the results.
Thank you, judges, for the opportunity. We are so excited to show you what we can do.
Yeah.